At HYC Medical, we believe that a healthy workforce is a happy and productive workforce. Introducing the HYC Corporate Wellness Package, designed to empower your employees and enhance their well-being. Our Corporate Wellness Package includes dynamic health fairs tailored for your company, bringing valuable resources straight to your doorstep. Employees can access essential health screenings, educational resources, and fun wellness activities all in one place. With our comprehensive staff checkups, we ensure that your employees receive personalized health assessments. Early detection and prevention are key to maintaining a healthy workplace. Plus, with access to HYC Care Bridge, your team can connect with a network of specialists, from health coaches to psychologists. We're dedicated to supporting their mental, physical, and emotional health. Our package also includes educational workshops and seminars, empowering employees with the knowledge they need to make healthier choices every day. Invest in your greatest asset, your employees. Choose the HYC Corporate Wellness Package and cultivate a healthier, happier workplace today. Contact us to learn more about the HYC Corporate Wellness Package.